Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday. Noxola see her, and Noxola is flabbergasted to learn that Spongile is pregnant. Tusheleni and his arrangement with Lindiwe. Two makes her angry. Erodents rock havoc at Emsam. Tuesday, Mandisa joined them and reveals that she has some of Makosazana belonging. She hanging them over to Noxola, who found a burning phone almost did them. While Nomosa argue with Tushereni about the mouse, but they discover that the paper is infected with cockroach. Wednesday, Tando learns about Mbali dinner with Pegisisa and vows to ask him out directly, but the chicken out. Pagate encouraged Pegisisa to date again. This day, Emenis Maharaj corner Nokzola. Nomosa is left trash once two is hash with her business skills. Friday. Kulego up on Mandisa and found that she is a ghost. Mbali sprains her ankle and Pexisa has to drive her home. Kulego thinks Noxola is acting nervous. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.